Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Light Loop Air Liquid CPU Cooler. So friend, Be Quiet has announced the latest AIO series in its cooling portfolio Light Loop, and this water cooling series focus on cooling capabilities and vivid lighting effect and ARGB cooling black with a unique diffuser and ARGB-enabled Light Wing LX fan allow for impressive vibrant and colorful illumination, and the jet black and cold plaid are optimized for enhanced performance, while the progressive IC keeps the pump noise low, making Light Loop the perfect match for user with overclocked system. And Light Loop is available in black and white version with 240 mm and 360 mm radiator, and it's hard to overclock Light Loop with up to 64 LEDs in total of the unique illuminated cooling block and brand new visually imposing Light Wing LX 120M PWM high-speed fans in AIO series leaves a vibrant, lasting impression in every PC, and they include ARGB PWM hub connector up to 6 PWM fans and 6 ARGB components to just 1 PWM and 1 ARGB header on the motherboard for full ARGB synchronization and all of lightning effect, and the hub can position anywhere inside the case with adhesive tape for screw hole and that match 2.5-inch SSD mounting. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.